Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video.
So if I'm gonna explain some of the content.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
in the last video, Murder Mystery 2, but with like a lot of friends. At
yeah,
the end, I have to go to KFC. If you can see by my bucket down below.
yeah,
And this is my son. And for some reason, you two followed me here.
yeah,
KFC. So anyway, I'm just something that I have to escape.
yeah.
Wait, let me just tell my son.
Okay, so basically we have to escape the KFC. Yeah.
Go, we have to go. Before Colonel Sanders
Let's
finds
hope we
us.
don't die. Oh god, this is.
Before Colonel Sanders finds us.
Wait, do we like?
Okay, come on, through the back door.
Wait for Macy. Let's hope we don't die.
Oh god.
All right, so.
No. These. I don't know, son. Okay, that's the right one. Okay. Middle. God damn it.
Oh, it's that one.
Yeah, it's the left one.
All right.
Okay.
We might die. Okay, I'll try this
Go
one.
middle.
No!
That's the middle. What? It wasn't the middle. I just died.
Okay, it's this. No, I died!
Okay, it's the right one. I don't want to die. Come on, time's running out.
No, it's this one. No, it's this one. No, it's this
Okay, God. Okay.
one. Macy!
Okay, this is easy. We're just doing this.
This is out of context.
This looks like.
Yeah, you guys might not get how this works, but like, yeah.
You have to watch the last video.
Yeah, you have to watch the last video to
This
actually
does not
know.
look like KFC drumstick. That looks like pieces of crap.
I know. Oh! No! Mama, stop leaving me.
That's not Colonel Sanders. Okay, let's
Family. My god, this burger tastes good.
I'm actually gonna have PTSD. Scared of like the remains of my brothers and sisters.
No, okay. I thought I was about to die. We've died a couple of times.
No, I won't die. I don't want to become.
No, we don't care if we die, guys. Don't bully us if we die. I'm about to have like full.
Yeah, we're speed running this thing. We can do it.
Oh yeah, we about to.
Literally, Dylan. Dylan.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh,
No, don't. I got sucked inside.
Dylan, can I talk to you in private?
Yeah.
Down here.
Okay.
Dylan, I don't know if I can do this. I mean, this is all the remains of my brothers and sisters.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Dylan. It's all too much.
No.
Damn it.
What is this?
It's my brothers and sisters.
Oh my god, this looks like turd.
Tommy? Is that you?
Tommy.
I'm gonna get revenge. It's disgusting.
Why does he keep dying?
Come on, I'm stuck. It is our family.
Stop.
There's a big hole down here. We're gonna have to jump down the big hole.
Yeah, big hole. I'm not weird. There is a big hole.
Jump. Okay, that was...
No, wait until Macy is here.
Honestly, my son creeps me out. Let's leave him alone. Come on, we gotta escape him.
He's coming. He's actually doing it.
Come on, jump down.
No. This is hard. Mama, stop leaving me. No, what the hell?
It's full in the middle.
Oh, there.
It's better. Oh no, he's here. Come on.
Okay, so this has gone a little weird.
I like how when you die, you just fall straight through the earth.
Are we supposed to go down there?
Imagine doing.
I hate this.
We should throw the kid into the grinder.
I'm not dying.
This is such an average obby though. It has like the 3 walkway thingies. It has that when you go.
Is that my infected? I know. This is like, I remember obbies back.
No, I don't want to jump. I don't want to go down there.
Okay, I'm drunk.
Well, if we want to escape KFC, we're gonna have to.
Oh, what the hell is this?
Well, this steak can get any weirder.
I know. What is this supposed to be? Oh,
It just did. It's supposed to be food.
bro, did we come out of his butt?
I love how we're fighting for our lives here. Like,
Did we come out of his butt? Where am I? I'm in the toilet. There's a chicken down here, Henry.
Wait, is that our brother?
It's a chicken.
Right, go. Go, come on. We're going down the hole. Oh, now we're in the sewers.
What?
Okay.
Wait for him. Let's wait for him.
He's a creepy son though.
I didn't die.
No, you didn't. I didn't see anything.
I didn't die. These are so tiny.
Do you use shift lock?
Yeah, I'm using shift lock.
Yeah, shift lock is good. I'm a chicken.
Come on, Macy. You got this, man. Oh my god, skibbity toilet.
No.
Bro, you know that would be a big plot twist. Imagine if that was skibbity toilet right there. That'd be an insane plot twist.
Macy, I know you're 50. Macy, if you watch our videos, I know you're a 50-year-old.
How do we put? Oh, we have to click it.
I clicked it. Okay, the sewer opened. The jig is up, Macy. If you we know.
No, if he watches this video, he's gonna be like,
This better not be flood escape.
no, I don't think it is.
That would have been 10 times better if it was flood escape.
Oh, I fell. This
damn
is so easy.
This is such an easy
Like, just imagine a pro parkour YouTubers watching us suck at this game.
We're not sucking at this game.
We're so good at this game.
Okay, who just leaves piles of burgers in the sewers? That's just wrong.
I don't know. No, isn't there a chicken on burgers sometimes?
Yeah, chicken burgers.
Isn't there one at KFC?
Yeah.
I remember there was one at KFC.
What about the Whopper? Wait. Dylan, look at my avatar.
I can't. I'm trying to do the parkour.
Wait, Dylan, I changed back into a human.
Wait, what?
All the chicken in the bucket came off. I was a human for like.
Are we supposed to go in this bin? I don't trust that.
Why am I so bad at this?
I know, like.
The hitboxes are large.
Yeah, I know. Like we're not playing MM2, but we still suck the hitbox.
Okay, go in the trash, Dylan.
Oh! Why are we
The trash does teleport us to some sort of.
The food moves.
Wait, is there a trash? Is this trash land? Did the dumpster just?
The food moves.
It just teleported us to trash land, guys.
Henry, where are you? Oh, you're still in the last one.
There's lore in this game.
Yeah.
Magical dumpsters take you to magical trash land.
I didn't die.
Wait, I think we're all. Wait, why are we going back in KFC?
Are we? Ooh, we're stepping on pizza. No, I don't think there's chicken pizza, right?
This is not KFC anymore.
Is there chicken pizza?
No, they would sell. I don't think they sell anything like that.
Yeah, I don't think so.
It's becoming FNAF. No,
Oh, we want an event.
it's
Okay, what way are we going? All right, I'm following Macy.
Wait, yeah, go that way. I can clip my mammoth with the cat. My mammoth.
Wait, what? I'm following Macy. Oh, you're also following.
I know what I'm doing. I'm good. Okay, I found the way out.
Oh. Macy
Oh, wait,
died.
We escaped. I think we escaped.
Macy died. Where are you, Henry?
I escaped. I'll just wait for you.
I did it, I think. Yo!
Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. We have no time to.
I'm sorry, Macy.
Finally, we're out.
Yo!
We made it to KFC. We did it.
Finally!
Right now,
We're out. Let's get to that tunnel. Oh my god, this is... Should we wait for Macy? Yeah, there's Macy!
I live on. I live to see another day.
Yo, guys, we did it, guys. Hit that subscribe button.
Wait, not yet, not yet. We have to finish now.
Okay. You left me. Guys, we did it, actually. And this is amazing. And there's still another way here. But... We did it. We did it. We're too good at this game, everybody. So if you want us to play more epic obbies like this, but this isn't gonna be the last video.
This is part 2. This is part 2 of the series.
Yeah, this is part 2 of the KFC saga.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.